Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the 3D mirror command. Let's start by creating a primitive, a box. Now let's activate the 3D mirror tool. It's on the Modify panel. First step, we select an object. Let's use the box, right-click to finish. Now we're going to specify 3 points for the mirror plane. Let's snap to corners of my box. And we're not going to delete the source objects. Here is our mirrored primitive. Let's undo. Activate the mirror command again. Select the object to mirror. Right-click to finish the selection. Now right-click and scroll to last. AutoCAD asks me if I want to delete the source objects. Choose No. And here is our second mirror. Let's activate the command again. I'll select both objects this time. Right-click to finish. Now we choose a mirror plane. I'm going to right-click and choose the ZX plane instead of picking 3 points. Press Enter. Delete source objects? No. And here is our mirrored object. Let's activate the mirror command again. Select our objects to mirror. Now the mirror plane, let's right-click and select Z-axis. Now we specify the point on the mirror plane. Let's snap to this corner. Third, we choose a point normal to the mirror plane. Let's keep the source objects. And let's try it again. Activate the mirror command. Select the object to mirror. Right-click. Z-axis. That's the first point on the mirror plane. Now we choose a point on the Z-axis normal to the mirror plane. Delete? No. Let's activate the mirror command again. Select the object to mirror. Right-click to finish the selection. Right-click and choose Z-axis again. Select this point and this point. Delete? No. Okay, let's take a look at our work. And now we'll bring in a different primitive, a pyramid. 3 clicks, center point, base radius, and height. Let's just pan it left so we have room for our mirrored object. Activate the mirror tool. Select the pyramid. Right-click to finish the selection. Let's specify 3 points. Snap here, and third point, snap here. We'll keep the source object, and here is our mirrored object. We've mirrored the pyramid along the planar face. Let's drop a circle about here now. Activate the mirror command again. Select the pyramid. Right-click to finish the selection. This time, right-click and select Object. Now I'm going to select my circle. And let's keep the source pyramid. Now we've mirrored the pyramid against the circle. Let me rotate this geometry so you can see that they lie along the same plane. This concludes our tutorial about the mirror command in the 3D modeling environment.